10 bizarre things humans used to believe. Humans like to think we've always been intelligent. But, for most of history, we were confidently wrong. Doctors prescribed nonsense. Scientists believed the impossible, and entire civilizations agreed on ideas that now sound completely unhinged. These are 10 bizarre things humans used to believe, and people staked their lives on them. Fact 1. Illness was caused by evil spirits for thousands of years. Sickness wasn't blamed on germs or bacteria. It was blamed on demons. If you had seizures, fever, or mental illness, it meant something supernatural had invaded your body. The treatment, exorcisms, chanting, or drilling holes into your skull to let the spirit escape. Yes, that was considered medicine. Fact 2. Bloodletting could cure almost anything from the ancient Greeks to medieval Europe. Doctors believed the body contained 4 humors, and that disease was caused by too much blood, so the solution was simple: remove it. People were bled to treat headaches, infections, depression, and even pneumonia, sometimes until they fainted, sometimes until they died. Ironically, the treatment often killed the patient faster than the disease. Fact 3. The Earth was the center of the universe for centuries. Humans believed the Earth sat perfectly still at the center of everything. The sun, stars, and planets were thought to orbit us in perfect circles. When scientists suggested the Earth moved instead, they were mocked, censored, or imprisoned. Being right too early was dangerous. Fact 4. Mental illness was a moral failure. Depression wasn't an illness. Anxiety wasn't real. Schizophrenia wasn't understood. People believed mental illness meant you were weak, sinful, or possessed. Many were imprisoned, punished, or publicly shamed, instead of treated. Some of those attitudes still haven't fully disappeared. Fact 5. Babies couldn't feel pain until shockingly recently. Doctors believed newborn babies couldn't feel pain the way adults do. So, surgeries were performed without proper anesthesia. The logic was that babies wouldn't remember it, so it didn't matter. We now know that belief caused immense suffering and long-term trauma. Fact 6. Women were hysterical by nature. The word hysteria comes from the Greek word for uterus. For centuries, women were believed to be emotionally unstable simply because they had one. Sadness, anger, anxiety, or ambition were all labeled as medical problems. The prescribed treatments ranged from forced bed rest to institutionalization. Fact 7. Bad smells caused disease. Before germ theory, people believed disease traveled through foul air, known as miasma. So, instead of cleaning water or hands, cities focused on masking smells. Perfumes, flowers, and incense were used to fight plagues. The air smelled nicer. People still died. Fact 8. Left-handedness was evil. Left-handed children were often punished, forced to write with their right hand, or accused of being cursed. In some cultures, the left hand was associated with the devil. All for something determined before birth. A harmless trait, treated like a threat. Fact 9. Spontaneous human combustion was real. People once believed humans could suddenly burst into flames from the inside. This idea was used to explain mysterious deaths, especially involving alcohol. The theory was that the body became so flammable, it ignited itself. Science eventually ruined the mystery. Fact 10. Thinking too much could make you insane. Intellectual curiosity was once considered dangerous. Reading too much, thinking deeply, or studying philosophy was believed to damage the brain, especially in women. Rest, isolation, and avoiding books were prescribed as treatment. Yes, ignorance was once considered healthy. What's terrifying isn't how wrong humans used to be. It's the fact that one day people might look back at our beliefs and say the same thing. Please remember to subscribe to this channel so you get to see more fun videos from us. Because history proves one thing: humans have always been strange.